Chapter 8, rounding of numbers. In our daily life, we come across several situations involving the use of numbers. Sometimes we do not state the exact number as an answer to the question which requires us to tell about how many. Instead, we put forth a number which is the nearest multiple of 10, 100 or 1000, etc. This is known as rounding the number to the nearest 10 or 100, etc. as the case may be. Consider these examples. So rounding off means a just rough idea, approximation. Okay, like example 1, suppose there are 2487 students in a school. So if somebody asks how many students are there in the school, so we can say that approximate 2500, 2500 students in that school. So what we are doing, we are rounding this number to the nearest 100. Okay, so now rounding off to the nearest 10. So rounding off to the nearest 10 means to find the multiple of 10 which is nearest to the given number. Steps to rounding off a number to the nearest 10. How we can do it? Find the ones place digit in the given number. Then if the ones place digit is less than 5, then replace it by 0 and don't make any change in the tens digit. And if the ones place digit is 5 or more, then replace it by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1. See example, round off 54 to the nearest 10. You know 54 is lying between 50 and 60, and you can see very well 54 is nearer to 50 as comparison to 60. So that's why 54 is rounding off to the nearest 10, that is 50. And you see the ones digit, this is 4. So there is no change in the tens digit. Make it 0. Answer is 50. Okay, so now see next example 3. Round off each of the following to the nearest 10, like A part 823. So you will see ones digit, this is 3 which is less than 5, so there is no change in tens digit. So make the ones digit 0. So answer is 820. Now the next is 727. See the ones digit which is 7 which is more than 5. So there we have to change in tens digit, increase it by 1. So this becomes 3 and this is 0. Answer is 730. The next is 3155. See the ones digit which is 5. So what to do? Replace ones digit by 0 and increase tens digit by 1. So this becomes 3160. Now exercise 8.1. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest tens. So see here, like B part 4007. So 7 ones digit which is more than 5. So what to do? Tens digit को हम +1 कर देंगे, it would be 1 and this is 0. So this is the answer. Like Z part 34,291, ones digit is 1 which is less than 5. So there is no change in tens digit and ones digit is 0. This is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The next we are talking about rounding off to the nearest 100. So rounding off the nearest 100 means to find the multiple of 100 which is nearest to the given number. So what are the steps to rounding off numbers to the nearest 100? The first, find the tens place digit in the given number, and if the tens place digit of the given number is less than 5, then replace it and ones place digit by 0 and leave the remaining digit as they are. And if the tens place digit is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the 100 place digit by 1 and replace tens and ones place digit by 0. Now brain booster, the tens digit finds rounding direction. Round down if the tens digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and round up if the tens digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now example 4, round of the following numbers to the nearest 100, like a power 2538. So we have to see the tens digit, which is 3, which is less than 5. So there is no change in 100 digit. And so what is the answer? We have to write these two digits 0, 0. So answer is 2500. Now B part 6373. So see the 10th digit, which is 7 more than 5. So what to do? 100 digit को हम increase कर देंगे by 1 and these are 0, 0. So answer is 6400. Now C part 7565. See the 10th digit, which is 6 more than 5. So what to do? Make it 0, 0 and increase it by 1. Answer is 7600. Now next exercise 8.2, round each of the following numbers to the nearest 100, like C part 493. So 10th digit is 9, which is more than 5. So increase it by 1. Answer is 500. Now CH part 8365. 10th digit is 6, which is more than 5. So increase it by 1. So this is 8400. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The next we are talking about rounding off to the nearest 1000. So rounding off the nearest 1000 means to find the multiple of 1000 which is nearest to the given number. Like the first one, find the 100 place digit in the given number. If the 100 place digit is less than 5, then replace 100 tens and ones digit by 0 and leave the remaining digits as they are. And if the 100 place digit is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the 1000 place digit by 1 and replace 100 tens and ones digit by 0. See example 5, round of the following number to the nearest 1000, like A part 6367. So see the 100 digit 3, which is less than 5. So there is no change in the 1000 digit and these are 0, 0. So answer is 6000. Now B part 8969. See the 100 digit, which is 9 more than 5. So we have to change 1000 digit, increase it by 1. So this becomes 9 and these are 0, 0. So this is 9000. The next is 20,568. So see the 100 digit, which is 5 equal to 5. So change 1000 digit, increase it by 1. So this becomes 1 and these are 0, 0. Answer is 21,000. So very interesting. Now exercise 8.3, round each of the following numbers to the nearest 1000, like C part 9567. So 100 digit is 5 equal to 5. So change 1000 digit, increase it by 1. So this becomes 10 and rest 0, 0, 10,000. Now G part, see 100 digit, which is 2 less than 5. So there is no change in 1000 digit and the rest digit 0, 0, 0. 31,000 is the answer. Now estimation. To estimate means to make a guess. Estimation thus gives us a rough idea of the answer to a question involving operation on numbers. It is an excellent approach for students to use when calculation or checking the reasonableness of answer. See estimating sums. For estimation of the sum of given numbers, we round off the given numbers and then find their sum. See example 1. Estimate each of the following sums to the nearest 10 and also find the actual sum. Like A part 64 plus 89. So first you can find the actual sum 64 and 89. This is 153. Now find the estimated sum. 64 rounded to, it is nearest to 60 and 89 is nearest to 90. दोनों को ऐड कर दे 150. Okay, and what is the difference between these? 3. Now the next B part 49 plus 32. So 49 is nearer to 50 and 32 30. Their estimated sum is 80 and the actual sum is 81. So what is the difference among them? Only 1. Now fun facts. Rounding helps estimate answer quickly, which is useful in many real life situations. Now exercise 8.4 question number 1. Estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Also find the actual sum, like B part 87 and 19. So nearest 10, 87 is nearer to 90 and 19 is nearer to 20. So find the actual sum. Actual sum is 106 and estimated is 110. Now G part 350, see the ones digit, this is 0 only. So this is nearer to 350, and 275. This is 5. Ones digit is 5. So this is 280. Okay. And now find the actual. Actual is 625 and find the estimated. This is 630. So I hope this is clear to you. Now the second, estimate each sum to the nearest 100. Also find the actual sum, like here B part 458 and 334. So you will see tens digit, this is 5. So we have to increase 100 digit by 1. This becomes 500. Now 334, this is 3. So there is no change in 100 digit. This is 300. So now find the actual. This is 792 and this is 800 estimated. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the third, estimate each sum to the nearest 1000. Also find the actual sum. So here B part, like nearest 1000. So you have to see the 100 digit. So this is 7. So we have to change 1000 digit. This becomes 46,000. Here this is 3, no change, 11,000. This is 1, no change, 33,000. So this is estimated. Find first actual. This is 7 and 3 10 and 1 11. 1 here, 1 carry, 5 and 1 6 and 1 7 and 3 10. So 4 and 1 5 and 1 6 and 3 9. Now find estimated. So this is 90,000 and this is 90,193. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now estimating difference, example, estimate the difference 662 minus 254 to the nearest 100, then verify by finding the actual difference. So rounding off to the nearest 100. So 662, see the tens digit. This is 6 more than 5, so there is change in 100 digit. This becomes 700. And this is 254, 5, which is equal to 5, so there is change in tens digit. This becomes 300. Now find the estimated difference. This is 400. Now find the actual difference. This is 408. So estimate differs from the actual difference by 8. Okay. Now exercise 8.5, the first question, estimate each difference to the nearest 10. Also find the actual difference. So like here, B part 72. So 70 and 25. This is 30. So find first actual. Actual is 47 and this is 40. Right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to second question, estimate each difference to the nearest 100. Also find the actual difference. B part 956 and 572. So first find the actual. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 5 minus 7, not possible. 15 minus 7, 8. And this is 8 minus 5, 3. Now find the estimated. So we have to round off to the nearest 100. See the tens digit. This is 5. So we have to increase 100 digit by 1. So this becomes 1000 minus 572. This is 7 more than 5. So this becomes 600. So answer is Actual is 384, estimated is 400. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. And now the third one, estimate each difference to the nearest thousand. Also find the actual difference like B part here. So 97,807 minus 81,097. See the 100 digit. So this is 8. So we have to change 1000. This becomes 98,000 minus this is 0. So no change, 81,000. So first find actual 7 minus 7 0. 0 minus 9 not possible. 10 minus 9 1. 7 minus 0 7. 7 minus 1 6. 9 minus 8 1. This is actual and estimated is 17,000. So like this you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about estimating product. Example 1. Estimate the product of 32 and 68. So to the nearest 10, 32 is 30 and 68 is 70. So 30 multiply 70, 2100. Example 2. Estimate the product of 24 and 65. So 20 and 70 multiply, answer is 1400. Example 3. Estimate the product of 386 and 124 by rounding off each number to the nearest 100. So 386 is 400 and 218 is 200. दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. This is the value. Now next example 4. Estimate the product of 183 and 153 by rounding off the first number upward and the second number downward. So 183 becomes 200 and 153, this is 100. So multiply, this is the answer. So exercise 8.6, question number 1. Estimate each of the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest 10. Like B part, 42 into 75. So 42 is 40 and 75 is 80. So 3200. Okay. Second question, estimate each of the following product by rounding off each number to the nearest 100. Like B part, 264 into 147. So 10th digit is 6 more than 5. So this becomes 300 and this is 4 less than 5. This is 100. So this is the answer, 30,000. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The third one, estimate each of the following product by rounding off the first number upward and the second number downward. So you can try this one. Now enhance your learning. Some question given, you can try these, and life skills and HOTS. So I hope the concept is very much clear to you.